Hey y'all, this is my GR Corolla and I was installing this 6th element intake. Just put it on, so I don't know if it performs yet, but that's not the point. So while installing, be careful not to put on well, the vacuum sealant goes there. If you put it on here, there's a good chance it won't come off. And if you try to pry it off, you might just break the MAP sensor, which would be the manifold something absolute pressure sensor, I think. So I did an oopsie, right? I put it on here, broke it because I couldn't pry off the vacuum sealant, and that's bad. So don't do that. That's all I want to share with you today. This thing, right? There's a that is where the vacuum seal goes, one of them, and the other one would go, I think, underneath over here. It's where the sensor is relocated from the stock exhaust right up here to there. That's sealant one, and that's sealant two in there. And then this hose, right, that comes with the intake. This hose provided comes with another, it's like an L shape something. Damn, I'm not familiar with my car parts, guys. So that would then connect to this.
Okay, so my mic just stopped working for no reason. Anyway, my kit did not come with any instructions, and while I recommend just looking it up, honestly, there's a few good videos up that explain things properly. Yeah, make sure all the rubber contact points are all nice and snug, since it's all air and vacuum related. And I'm recording this after the install's done, so far no check engine lights, so all good. Seriously, don't mess with the airflow sensors, y'all. These things are too expensive and take too long to ship. So don't mess up. So I got this on GR Performance Parts, and I expected a white intake, but I think that's to do with the manufacturer and the current, I guess, stock they have. But that's fine. It still runs and sounds pretty good, so not a problem. Oh, not only did my kit not come with instructions, I also did not get the acrylic, like the housing installed, but that's fine. Just be wary of fingerprints and scratches while installing. That's, I guess, if you care about that. If not, just be aware. Okay, switching to the phone mic for this. Hopefully, it picks up the engine and the exhaust and all that, and the intake, especially. God, I forgot about the intake. Anyway, now this is not a cold start. I did kind of start it earlier. You're not gonna hear the intake from here, but let me rev. Okay. Honestly, it's just very loud. I mean, yeah, that's kind of the, well, there's this car. Okay. Idle stopped. That's the cold, I think, settling down. Damn, I'm at a loss for words right now. I've been working on this for too long. And let's rev a little. Honestly, okay, I haven't driven yet, so I can't tell. But it sounds, it just sounds good, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna see how it tests. But that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps.